Hey everyone, Tim Holm, Watsonrealtycorp. We're over here at a place called Camp Landing. It's a great place for military personnel to come over and enjoy. It's off of Kingsley Lake. It's a great thing. You do have to have a military ID in order to get in here, but it is something that is not that far away. It's about a 20-minute drive southwest of the Middleburg area. Really kind of nice to be able to come over and show you what we're looking at. Beautiful man-made lake that is here. See my children down there having fun. You can bring a boat over, you can go swimming. Water temperature's a little cold right now. You can come over and go fishing. There's nice fish down in here. There's campsites that are down over this direction over here. There's the actual base that's here. Of course, they do some military training, and then on the opposite side of the shore over there, there are people who actually live here that are people who just normal live here. So, but beautiful little area here that's here. Great idea for somebody to come over and take a look at. Spend a day, spend a weekend, get a campsite or something else like that, spend some time. So, just something simple for everybody to come over and do. This is a great location for you to come over and enjoy just a weekend and everything. But this is over at Kingsley Lake. This is Camp Landing. As I said, it is a military personnel place, so you have to have a military ID in order to get into. But it's just great weather to come out here and enjoy today. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you guys like the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you end up hitting that bell notification in order to get notifications on the next videos that we end up doing. I post things every single week. I know this is a short video, but why don't you come over and take a look? It's a beautiful place. Thanks for watching. Bye.
What you guys doing? You wet?